Good afternoon, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. First of all, before I go anywhere with this video, I want to point out that many of my customers talk with this young lady right here. This is Mackenzie. She is my daughter, and she is the Tree Planters' top salesman. She's also the Tree Planters' only salesman, which makes it a lot easier to be the top salesman. So we just did this job. This is what we call privacy extraordinaire. This customer had, I think it was about 250 feet that we wanted to get rid of everything on the other side of that white fence there in the background. So we've got a double row of southern red cedars with a big 30-foot live oak tree right in the middle of that big tree and this big tree. Over here we've got two 12-foot weeping bottle brush that are going to fill in that entire area right there. We've got a tababuia here to give some beautiful yellow color. And over here is where we did not need to be as dense because there's not much on the other side of the fence. But we've got 3 cedars that are going to come along real nicely. Nice little Chinese fan palm. Over here we've got 4 Chinese fan palms that are leaning away from each other with a Dede Blanchard magnolia between them. This is all going to fill up this corner and just give this corner a lot of texture. Then we have 4 8 to 10 foot ligustrums that are covering up a house and a shed on the other side of the fence. And then the highlight of this job for this customer was these 2 Nellie Stevens hollies that are actually shaped into a tree form holly. Nellie Stevens are usually a bush, wide at the bottom, narrow at the top. You can see that there is no bottom on these. The lower limbs have been taken off, and all we have left is a giant ball. These are 12 feet tall and 12 feet wide. Absolutely stunning. We have a supply of these, and I don't think much of the industry in Florida is aware that these are even available. So we want to really encourage you, if you like anything here, give us a call. We can do it for you. Have a great day.